Fun stuff in the shop today. So way back when, in our old facility with our BSE, we bolted the spoilboard down. When we brought these ones in here, we were in such a hurry to get going that we never wrote a program for it. Well, on these big panels, is what happens is it curls up on the ends, and we started having problems. And a couple of weeks ago, my guys went through like 3 spoilboards in a week because I don't know what they were doing. I wasn't here, but they were going there. I said, you know what, we're making this work. We're making it happen this time. Now, to be honest with you, I am not the smartest guy, sharpest knife in the drawer when it comes to programming and stuff like that. And so we got a cabinet division guy that helps us. So we're doing what we know how to do to build this program, and we're drilling holes. And it took us like 4 times to get it to run out here. And then, so we finally got it to run because we're on such a big piece. We're all the way out, and it goes over. Well, on our drill block on the Celex, there's 2 drills that can't reach the far side of the Y-axis. So we cheated it. We told it was a different drill bit, and then we changed that drill bit. That's how we do things here to make it happen. But finally, it's running. We've got this dialed in. It's gonna work, and it goes over. And we have never run this that far over in the Y travel. We've never run it that far over. So we're drilling a couple of holes, and we're like a half an inch too close to the safety fence that we bolted down. And so it bumped into that, which flipped open the cover and stopped the machine so we didn't break anything. So to make this happen, we had to literally go over there and unbolt the fence and move it back just so it would, we unbolted it on the front side, or the one side, and it tilted back. And now that it's done enough to do it. So we're there. We ran the 10mm holes. We're now going to flip it and run our larger holes so we can bolt it down. I'll show you the finished product when we're done. Okay, we are 90% there. We got the spoilboard on, we've got it bolted down, and we just cut out plugs for it. So I'm gonna pop these off, and then we're gonna plug all the holes and surface it, and we'll be ready to roll. So that's what we did, is we cut out these little round plugs, and then we hammer in the bolt holes. We cut that. This is a 35mm hinge hole. We cut out these plugs. I'm gonna take that, and that peels it off the top. And now I'm going to surface the spoilboard, and these will all be flush, and so that we got a nice smooth surface when we're drilling our through holes in it, that we're not going to have any blowout. Right after I stopped filming the spoilboard being surfaced right here, I stepped into the safety zone, and when I went to restart it, I got an inverter alarm. Fun stuff, couldn't clear it, and frustrating. Most of these things, anytime I have an issue with a CNC, it's normally self-imposed. I've done something. So I did a restart on it, and I'll come back to that later, and couldn't get it to clear. So I started a ticket, and I was texting back and forth with 2 or 3 different people that are Anderson techs, and not getting anywhere. And they said, yeah, have you restarted it? So is what we did. Found out when I restarted it the first time, I didn't leave it off long enough for it to reset completely. They were still under power. So I left it off, went to the bathroom, turned it back on, and restarted it, and we were back up and running. And it is so nice. The table is nice and flat now. It's bolted down. We don't have any curling or anything like that, and running parts really, really good. So only about 3.5 hours lost today. Fun stuff at the Closet Doctor.